Hello, everybody. Welcome back to another episode of Chronicles and Cocktails. I'm Josue, the spirited historian, and today we are going to be talking about the turkey, the real history of the turkey in Puerto Rico. People think that the turkey arrived in Puerto Rico when the Americans did, but the truth is older and stranger and way more Puerto Rican than people imagine. Today, we're digging into the real story of the turkey on our island, where it came from, how it became part of our cuisine, and why it tells a bigger story about Puerto Rico, identity, and food. This isn't a myth, it's nostalgia, it's history de la buena. All right, let's start with something essential. The turkey is not European, it's not Asian, it's not African. The turkey is American, literally. Meleagris gallo pavo, a bird domesticated in Mesoamerica more than 2,000 years ago, raised by indigenous farmers long before Cristobal Colon ever saw the Caribbean. Spain did not bring the turkey to the New World. The New World brought the turkey to Spain. This part matters because everything that happens in Puerto Rico later begins with this simple fact. The turkey is native to the Americas, but is not native to Puerto Rico. The Taínos did not raise turkeys. They hunted iguana, utillas, birds, fish, but not turkey. The bird arrives with empire, trade, and colonial circulation. This is Historia Geográfica Civil y Natural de la Isla de San Juan Bautista, written by Fray Íñigo Abad y la Sierra in the late 1700s, one of the oldest and best windows we have into everyday Puerto Rican life during the Spanish era. Highly, highly suggested. When I found this, I actually found it on Facebook from someone that sells a lot of old history, rare books. I went for it. And on page 192, Abad tells us something fascinating. People did eat turkey, but not regularly. That's here in Puerto Rico. Most turkeys were sold at the capital's ports, not eaten by families. It was consumed por necesidad when there was nothing better. So by the 1700s, the turkey is present, yes, but it's not central. It's not like the main meat or the protein on the center of the table. It's not tradition. It's not Puerto Rican Thanksgiving, not even close. It's a trade animal and a fallback protein. And Abad doesn't mention turkey among the foods that define Puerto Rican life, even across pages 131, 222, and 223, where he lists the animals and provisions of the island. Listen, if turkey mattered culturally, trust me, Abad would have said it. Okay, here it gets more interesting. In 1859, something shifts. Something always changes. A cookbook is printed in Puerto Rico. El cocinero puertorriqueño. No one knows who wrote it. And on pages 83 and 84, we get the first two turkey recipes ever printed on the island. Pavo relleno a lo criollo and pepitoria de pavo y gallina. Right here. This is huge because These recipes prove that Puerto Ricans were already creolizing the bird long before America's rule. Pavo relleno lo criollo uses pork and sofrito-like herbs, raisins, olives, and the entire island pantry is in that stuffing. Pretty much. And pepitoria. This is interesting. A medieval Spanish almond egg sauce places the turkey inside elite Spanish influenced dining traditions. Huh? So, before 1898, turkey existed in Puerto Rico, but as a recipe for special occasions, not a cultural emblem. Take a bigger glass and fill it with ice. Add 1.5 ounces of Puerto Rican aged rum, of course. A few drops of vanilla. Tiny pinch of cinnamon and nutmeg, or even better, pumpkin spice. 1 ounce cranberry juice. 1 ounce pineapple juice. A 1/4 ounce of gingerbread syrup, or simple syrup if you don't have gingerbread. Stir it. And stir it. And stir it. Then, on another glass, put fresh ice. And serve over that ice. Garnish with an orange peel or a cinnamon stick. So I chose the cinnamon stick. It makes it a little bit more festive. We're making a drink that tells the same story. So I'm gonna call it the Boricua Cranberry Rum Cooler. Then America arrives in 1898. And with it, holidays, traditions, Foodways, Thanksgiving. Cranberry sauce shows up. I love cranberry sauce. I make my own from scratch. Stuffing mixes, commercial turkey production. But there's a twist. Thanksgiving becomes Puerto Rican because the diaspora carries it back. Families who move to New York, Connecticut, Chicago, Philly fall into the American Thanksgiving tradition. And when they return home, guess what? They bring the turkey with them. What began as an imported holiday becomes a Boricua ritual. That's how pavochón is born. All right, let's be honest. Nobody cooks like us. So when the turkey arrived, Puerto Rico did what Puerto Rico always does. We took a foreign thing and we over seasoned it into submission. Yeah. Pavochon isn't inspired by lechon. It is lechon forced onto a turkey body. Hmm. There's a dish very similar in Louisiana. I believe it's called the turducken, right? But that's another story. Go back and watch the episode about New Orleans and Puerto Rico and how similar our culture and history is. All right, so we season that with garlic, oregano, sour orange, achiote, mofongo stuffing, plantains, arroz con andule, potato salad. This is culinary rebellion. It's cultural judo, using the force of empire, turning it back and making it something new. That's what we do. By the mid 20th century, the turkey is no longer rare. In 1944, Eliza B.K. Dooley prints the Puerto Rican cookbook, and turkey appears as a normal, everyday ingredient in holiday menus. Then, in 1961, Rosa P. Hernandez from Utuado publishes this little book right here, Mi colección de recetas, a small limited print book. And I have one of the original copies. Turkey is no longer elite, no longer marginal, no longer por necesidad. By the 1960s, turkey is fully at home in Puerto Rico, even if it came from elsewhere. The turkey about Puerto Rico isn't about politics or nationalism or purism. It's about how cultures blend, willingly or not, and how people claim food as part of their own story. The turkey is not Taino, it's not Spanish, and it's not fully American either. It's ours because we cook it our way. So now, I want to hear from you. De corazón. Do you eat turkey for Thanksgiving? Pavochón, pavo asado. Have you tried the pepitoria? Are you 100% pernil and never look back? Tell me your favorite recipes in the comments. Tell me how your family cooks it. Or if you're in the diaspora, how the island tastes different where you live. Where are you? Are you in Connecticut? Are you in Massachusetts? Missouri? Louisiana? Alabama? Yeah, I know some people in Alabama. And I know some people in Missouri. I know some people in Florida. Yeah, you know what I'm talking about. And the people in Jersey. I love you all. All right? And I know you all cook turkey the Puerto Rican way. So comment it. Let me know what recipe do you like and what memories do Thanksgiving dinners bring to you today, because that's part of the whole experience in Puerto Rican Thanksgiving. So there it is, the history of the pavo. Did you ever think that turkey would have that entire history and how it impacted Puerto Rico? First, it was a trade animal. People used to sell it for money. So that represented economy, independence, right? And eventually they started eating it also. So it became tradition. Then America comes in, brings in this new holiday, and the Puerto Ricans that go back and forth start blending ingredients. I mean, in my house, I make cranberry sauce. I'm a mofongo. We do turkey because I am a turkey person. I love turkey, and I think Thanksgiving should have turkey. But we also do pork, some type of pork. And we do different things for Thanksgiving. Every kitchen is a history book. So let's write this chapter together. Comment, let me know. So thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this episode. I hope you have a happy Sunday today. Have fun today. It's time for you to start prepping for Thanksgiving. I'm just saying, it's time for you to start prepping. If you're the one doing the dinner or the lunch or the late lunch dinner / breakfast and everything, it's time for you to start prepping. I mean, that cranberry sauce, it has to be done by today or tomorrow at the most. Just saying. You can make this cocktail in a batch. Put all the ingredients into a 1-gallon container, and then you have people serving themselves. Thank you for watching. Like, subscribe, hit the bell button. Follow us on social media. Go to TikTok and go to Instagram and go to Facebook. We are there. Thank you very much. Thank you for being with us. Have a happy Sunday. Have fun. Eat good. Drink good. Go to church. And be happy. Salud.